Tina ourselves were not satisfied with the investigators.
Obana bangekho satisfied with the investigators. So, as Mr. Chauke, you were not satisfied.
We were not satisfied. So we requested them. They must be changed and get another team. And that's what happened.
You know why I'm asking, Mr. Chauke? I'm asking because the older team came at home and explained themselves. We understand which we are this team.
Yeah. Who were those who came?
First, it was Gininda and them, and then the Gininda with Teleze, I think we understand. So now we are now confused with who are the actual people who are the actual people. Yes, who are the actual people in the case, you understand. But I'm glad what you are saying, what you are not happy with are you not happy with umsebenzi wobuthelezi no Gininda?
The people to say this is the person who committed the offense.
Okay.
And in that case, the people in the house will discover that all they are liars.
Okay.
So with that, we needed to do those investigations. The police still have to go back to the people and say, look, I'm a story now, and most of things.
Okay. So
which Buthelezi and Gininda did not do.
Did not do.
You understand?
Okay.
Now, you need to have experienced policemen who go there and reassess these people to say, no, look here, this thing. Remember, they lied initially about Bakomba, Umunyumfana, Wamakawashi, Lapana,
okay. Yes.
Which is which was the nonsense story and all sort of things.
So
they need to go back to them to say, look, we don't buy the story that there is somebody who came from around coming to commit robbery and whatever.
So, according to you, Mr. Chauke, you are mhlampe ngingasho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi you are saying ukuthi there is no one who came in.
Our theory now, from where we're sitting,
yes,
we suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay.
Not that because umuntu from somewhere as a commit a robbery and Hello? Hello? What is this? Hello?
Yeah, yes, no problem.
What I'm saying,
yes,
Mayor, is the following.
Yes.
From our assessment, when we read the statements and the people there,
yes,
we don't think there is somebody who came from outside that was a robber.
Okay. Yes.
It's a nonsense story. There's nothing like that.
There's nothing like that.
Yeah. We suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay. So
this is what this crack team must go in.
They must put this theory into, yes, and then from there what will happen?
No. Once they've identified who is what, they would have to arrest that person.
So now I'm a suspect and as a detect.
I'm a suspect. That's why I get it. From our theory
as ENPA.
Yeah, we think.
Okay.
There is no suspect who came from anywhere.
Yes.
The shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Yes. So this new team of Carlos and Knight, do they have to prove that? And then from there,
they will be in a position. The prosecutors will be in a position to decide and say, look, the chap who must be charged, but this one is an accessory like that.
So Carlos no Knight basebenza na yipi prosecutor mawukuthi basebenza ne prosecutor.
I'm not so sure. That's why I get to go. These documents were taken about 2 months ago.
Okay.
And then the national office Mzinyathi no Shamila, they are going to decide.
So uShamila kumele decide ukuthi
which office
prosecutor.
Yeah.
and which office must. So uShamila ngayenza kanjani appointment na ngoba you know this thing ubaba useshonile ogogo nabo nami I don't know what is happening and mhlambe ngayenza kanjani appointment no Khehla Sithole or uShamila.
So what is happening?
Yes.
Mayor.
Yeah.
I just do not have the contact details of the police. I expect them that they will come to the family in terms of them being the new investigation team. So
okay.
If I had the numbers, that's why I check office file and see if we now our contact number so that we can give them to you and then
yes.
you can phone.
Can I stamp wait for her to check any number Carlos no?
Mameki, that file you sent to me, do you still have it here? The file.
JJ, office file.
Yeah.
JJ.
And it's not a
And the message I have on a missed call. I can't talk now. I think he's in a meeting.
Yeah, I think so. I think they said they were supposed to attend a meeting in Pretoria.
Which fella can't talk.
But maybe what we should do is try and see if we are able to trace the file either in his office or from.
Or maybe I can come back tomorrow if you guys don't mind.
So that we can give him the telephone numbers of those
policemen and the police.
Those who came here. So I think maybe their numbers should be in the office file.
Okay, you can right now sit in my office and then I'll go and try to trace.
No, I don't mind. I can come back. Maybe I can stay a day or come back tomorrow. I don't know if go to JJ Low Corner or because I just want to meet Mhlampe Usithole.